You want to find crystals like this? How about crystals like this? Or this? How about a crystal like this? This Herkimer diamond jersey. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find your very own Herkimer diamonds, such as these. Right, here we are in Mohawk Valley, on the road here. It just rained last night. Looks like we have a little piece of a crystal. Look at that. This little crystal chunk just sitting right there. Look at that piece of a crystal right there. This is gonna be a crazy day. Ooh, wow. Sweet. I gotta bring my, whoa. Oh. Look at that little Drew's ball. What? This looks like it's been set up, but water clear almost, just sitting right on this. Oh wow. Oh my god. Look at this. Look. Look. Holy crap. Whew. Oh. Oh my god. That's the surface find I was hoping to find today. Alright guys, and here is that cleaned up crystal I just found on the surface. Mostly cleaned up, there's still like a little bit of contact mark, but look at the rainbow in that, a little bit of golden. Beautiful little cluster, we got a little rider. I've walked up and over this several times now, I didn't even notice this until of course coming down. Oh, dropped it, but just found this other water clue here. Surface collecting. Crazy. We got this spot here, seems to be doing really well producing crystal wise, so oops, sorry. Okay, technically there is something. Let's see. Yeah, it was connected right here. There was, yeah, let's see if we can get this rock out next. Oh. Well, it's only a small bit of rock, but maybe there's something here. Let's see. Just a little pocket. Oh. It's just Jersey though. It's not any big crystals. Oh, some Jews. And this just opened up. That's pretty nice Jews though. Looks like we got a decent sized little calcite crystal. A little Jersey or pocket behind there, I'm not sure what, but alright. I don't know, there might be a small little pocket behind here. Let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, definitely a little pocket behind there. Oof. Got this whole thing here ready to crack open. The same with this. Okay, so working on this, pulled this little piece out. Bam, look at that. Water cleared gem. A couple of them in the pocket. Were nice. Nice. Two little gemmies. My prediction is right here. There's gonna be a pocket. Give me a second. But there could be something in there. So down here, underneath on the bottom, there was this pocket. So I'm gonna have to do some digging and there might be some crystals in there. But this, man, this is promising. There's gotta be something back here. Technically, there was a pocket, a small pocket, but might break this rock a little bit, and then I have all this to go through. So I'm gonna dig in here, and there's, again, little pockets here and there. Rock out of the way here. Open that pocket and then look. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous crystals, man. And then here's the pocket, the other half of that pocket. Just being careful here. There's a little water clear in there. This is the other half of it. I told myself I wouldn't be keeping druzy today, but I can't say no to that. Look at this pocket. Zoom in there. Can you even see everything? No, that's crazy. So I'm gonna try to open this up. Alright, so this is the rock I just broke off the wall. Got a nice little Herkimer here. I'm gonna try to break it out. Smack it right here. Get okay. Okay, I can just pull this up. Yep. Look at that. Good size herc. I think I can take the top of this off. Nice. Woo! That's a good size herc in there. Sweet. Gems in here. Oh yeah. There's little jemmies in there I can take out. Oh. Okay, I'm glad I broke it one more time just in case. I know, I said no more druzy. How can I say no to that? Look at those crystals, man. This thing washed up is gonna be insane. Taking that, Drews. Got a couple of rock reveals here. This is number one. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Little pockets. Little pocket. Oh. I just recorded myself pulling that. This beautiful Herkimer diamond just found on the host rock. With more druzy pockets here, and this beautiful, beautiful pocket right there, just like that. But look at the crystal pocket that this thing is in. Wow. Whew. So we're getting a little dirty. We're over here, still in the same. I haven't done much with that yet. And I got this massive rock. I don't think this is gonna do it. See a little pocket. I really wish I could, but I've been working on these rocks mainly because of this crazy Herkimer I found with the druze. Open this rock right here. Pretty deep little pocket. No big crystals is what I'm looking for. This rock here is just falling apart. Look at this piece of, this druze, man. I'm keeping that. But oh, there's crystals. There's, oh, look at that. Nice. Ooh, there's a third one in there. Right down there. That's where I'm, little piece of druze. Oh, wow. Little pocket in there too. All right, we just flipped this. That druzy pocket. Insane. But bunch of crystals here, including this one. Another one on it too. You know, I wanted to record this, but I didn't because I didn't think anything would happen. We got this pocket. Look at the goonie. We have a goonie. It's loose too. I'm gonna have to take the top off first. Alright, I think it's broken, unfortunately. But we can put that back together. See how it's fractured right here? Yeah, the whole thing is broken. Damn. Oh, very, very saddening. I think I can put this back together though. Very sad that it broke. That would have been a nice crystal, but I think there's more in there. Crystal's starting to take shape. Finally got this piece. I've been working on it for a while. Nice herc there, but even though those hercs broke, I got this piece here. Nice juicy piece. I cannot wait to clean this up. Water clear. Good sized piece there. Crazy. All cleaned up. Beautiful. Smash this open. That pocket. Look at those crystals. Woo! Man, I should have recorded. Look at that Herkimer in there. That pocket. In that pocket. There's loose crystals all in there. Well, that's about it for today. Didn't really find a whole lot, but I just want to thank you guys for watching. Still had a great time today, Mohawk Valley. It's getting cold, but